How to create a form view in monday.com. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically create a form view on monday.com. All that you guys need to do is to just simply come into any one of your workspaces, and then after that you guys can just simply add in a view which is going to be a form view. And then from over here, simply click at the top on this plus icon. Then after that, simply click on form, and a form is going to be created. Now you guys can simply click on create your first form, and it's going to basically give you this particular template that you guys can simply follow, and your form is going to be created. So I will do all of that right now, and let's see how it goes. So over here, my workspace name is at the top. You guys can rename the form to be whatever you want as well. You guys can also change up all of these fields as per your preference. You can also add in new questions as well. You can also do styling as well for this particular form over here. So all of these options are available for you guys, and on the right side you guys can basically see your font. You can simply change up the font of this particular form. You can change up the color as well of this particular form. You guys can have it be any color. Then of course you guys can from the top also change up the alignment of the form to any place on the screen, to whichever place suits you the best. Then of course you guys can also add in a darker color at the background, or you guys can add in images in the background as well. So you guys have all of these form options available over here, and you guys can really customize your way through your form as well. So over here what I can do is that I can just simply click on over here, and I can type your name, and then after that I can also add in a description over here for this particular text to elaborate a bit. So over here I can type in please type your name here, and then below that I can make this particular field mandatory as well if I want to, and I can also hide the question too. So I have all of these options available over here for myself. So over here, as soon as I've done that, I can also of course change up the font once again if I want to, but of course if I don't want to then I don't have to, but you guys do get this option too. So once I have done this, now over here you guys can basically see that we have now configured our font, and now we can simply click on the top on customize, and we can basically customize our form even more as well. So from over here we can basically rename our form, we can type our name, we can also select our answer, and we can change all of this stuff from the right side. So over here you can also change up the submit button as well. You can choose to hide the branding. You can present form as survey. You can make this form anonymous as well. You can also take care of the actions that happen after submission. So as soon as a person submits the form, what do they see? You can configure that by going to this particular screen, which is the after submission page, and over here you guys can basically see that you guys can redirect link. You guys can put in a custom title. You can also put in custom content as well, so that they see exactly what you want them to see over here once they have submitted their results. So over here you can also change up the builder settings as well. Then of course up top you can choose to publish this form via this link. You guys can choose to share it as well. So now your form is complete. Now once you share this form with people, after that, once those people start submitting the form, you guys can see all of their results over here as well, and you will be able to see whatever they have submitted over here. You can also automate the whole procedure by using monday.com automation as well, but we'll make a separate tutorial on this too. So guys, that is how you guys can basically create forms on monday.com. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.